Tinamou is a species of bird which has 46 different members, and you probably have never heard of any. Well, you have heard of their relatives, the emu and the cassowary. You would think if these birds are related to the giant birds of emus and cassowary, they must be huge themselves, but no, these birds are only the size of a partridge or a chicken. They were first discovered way back in 1832, while on safari by Isidore Geoffroy Saint Hilaire, the French zoologist. He catalogued these birds for the French Muséum d'Histoire Naturelle, or the Museum of Natural History in Paris. The elegant crested Tinamou, along with all members of its family, are endemic to South America, living from Mexico all the way down to Argentina. For the elegant crested Tinamou specifically, they live in and around Argentina and Chile. Although some of the species are quite common, the elegant crested Tinamou are shy and a very secretive bird. They are active during the day, returning to roost at night. They generally have cryptic plumage, with males and females similar in appearance, although the females are usually larger than the males. They are very opportunistic, consuming a wide variety of plants and animal foods. They would be classed as omnivores. They eat anything from fruits, seeds, worms, insects, and even small vertebrae. They are also terrestrial birds and spend most of their time on the ground running or walking. They usually sleep in the same nests unless their sleep is disturbed. They clean themselves before they perform regular dust bathing sessions in order to remove parasites from the feathers. They will also have rainwater baths as well. They are heard more often than they are seen. Let's listen to one of their calls. Folks, if you're enjoying this content, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. The Tinamou's breeding season normally takes place between June, August, and November. The male Tinamou maintains a territory and a nesting site, normally made up of plant materials, and it's normally sheltered by vegetation or rocks. During this time, a succession of females will visit, laying their eggs in the same nest. The females will wander through several territories, mating and laying eggs in the nests of the resident males. Nests are nearly always on the grounds. Eggs are relatively large and glossy, often brightly coloured when laid, and are incubated by the males for a period of 2 to 3 weeks. The chicks can run soon after hatching and are largely self-sufficient after 3 weeks old. They leave the nest almost immediately, but return with the male for a period of time of up to about 3 to 4 months before they become independent. Although the species is frequently hunted for food and sport, the elegant crested Tinamou is classed as least concern by the IUCN list of threatened species. Their predators other than humans include raptors such as skunk, foxes, wildcats, redback cocks. Folks, if you're enjoying this content, you might like Google's next recommendation on the Victoria Crown Pigeon Amazing Facts.